Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do an open box, like open. I'll show you guys what I bought in the Olive Young beauty box, and I bought it like a few months ago, but it's quite interesting. I will unbox it and show you guys what I got in there. So let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video for more interesting video that coming out in the future. But let's get started, you guys. It's at Olive Young beauty box, and it came out a few months ago. So I got it. I just leave it in a corner, and I didn't really use it yet, so I can show you guys. But let me show you what it is. The first thing in here is it's called piece of cake. It's pan glitter. So it's just a big box, but it's a little pan. It's called Famous Rose. So it's kind of like a pink glitter, very subtle, but you can see it's glittery. It's showing the color of a little pink roses, so it's quite nice. I'm gonna try it next time. Earlier I forgot about it, or else I'm gonna use on my really excited about is the Reader Shot 100. So this one, why I'm excited about this one is because I got gifted on Christmas this bottle, and it's called it's the same brand as Sika Reader Shot 100 Vitali Reader Shot. I don't really know what the difference between the white bottle and the red bottle. It's just that if you guys know, let me know, because for this one I use it as a serum, like after on my nighttime skincare routine. When I after my toner, I'm gonna apply this on. I use it like around 2.5-3 pumps and apply all over my face and have that tingling feeling on your face, because like it said, it's feel like needles on your face, but it's not too bad. I'm getting used to it. So I kind of like this because I feel like after a week or two using the products, it helped regenerate my skin. It's like it's go deep into the skin, the different layers of my skin, and then it's rebuild a new layer, and then it's help a lot with like the blemishes and the dark spot. So I've been using this for like 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks already, and I really like this at my nighttime. I only use it once a day at night, and I don't know what's the difference between the yellow one, the gold one, and the white one, but I'm excited to try because it's like a replacement for that one. Oh, this one is a Sun by Me, a travel pack. It's that Perfect Duo Glass Skin Sun by Me. I use Sun by Me brand already. I use the Sun by Me sunscreen, and I like it because it's like Sun by Me is dedicated for problem skin or like for more sensitive skin. So Sun by Me brand to me is kind of light and it's subtle. It's not doing a lot, but it's enough for your skin, for your daily care. So this one is a beta panthenol repair cream, and it says non-cosmetogenic tested clinical solution. Is so Oh, this one is a moisturizer for damaged skin. So if you guys have a sensitive skin, you should try this one. And have like problem skin, blemishes, you can try this one. I think maybe I'm gonna use it for travel. This one is a retinol intense reactivating serum. So this, on the other hand, is a serum. It's retinol, 0.1%. Basically, I never tried the serum before, but I heard a lot of good stuff about their the serum. So I think it's you guys can try this one too. It's a perfect combo. So one is serum and one is moisturizer. I will try it if I have problem skin. Like sometime is a combo lipstick, kind of more like lip gloss from S4. It's called it's only in Korean. I can't understand it. Oh, this one is contour lip tint glaze, and it goes with the mini lips gloss set. So in here you will see there are two products. One is the lip tint full size, and they give you an extra lip gloss, couture lip gloss, mini and rosy bim. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys. See, this one is like a super pink color. Wow, it's even too pink for me. I think it goes better for like if you guys have a cool tone. And this one is the gloss, so it's go on top of the lipstick, and it's create that nice gloss over it. Really, really nice. And it have glitter too. You will see the little detail. They add the glitter onto it. So if you go out and you wear this, you're gonna see your lip glow. This is a must try. It's just like the color is not really for me. It's a serum pack. It's from Anur. It's from Anur, and it's peach 70 niacin serum 70%, and plus the mini size of a green lemon vitamin C is for blemishes, and it's 100%. So for this set, you're gonna have two things in there. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see. And this, the bottle is 30 ml. Really nice, interesting, really heavy packaging, and it's have like a little dropper. Let's try. I haven't tried the brand yet. I've been wanting to buy their serum. Just have that little soft and not too thick. Go on your skin really nicely. I think this looks kind of similar to the watermelon serum, dual skin serum from Sephora. Let's have that same kind of feeling. The smell is really light, not too much. You see, it's kind of have that, but it's absorbed onto skin just like water. Yeah, so if you think of this one, it's just like the water kind of that you can buy from Sephora. I think it's where it works really nicely on the daytime. Give it away sometime, or I'm gonna just give it to my friend or anybody who needs to keep their curls up. It's called Elizaveta Sir 100 Collagen Coating Hair A Plus Muscle Curl Cream. Wow, interesting. Always seen this on when I scroll onto the hair products area in Olive Young, but I never really thought that I'm gonna buy this. So maybe this is something new for me to try, and interesting packaging. You see, to her face, and then voila, this is like before and after. And then there's a tip, like a something like this. It's kind of a lot. It's like a lot. So you're gonna use all year, I guess. But very, very nice packaging. I'm gonna give it a try. I think I've seen a lot of TikTok talking about this brand is not too popular per se, and I don't really know about this brand before. I've seen it, but I don't really use it. And then it's this one is like Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Triple AHA Gentle Cleansing Gel. So it says unscented cleansing gel. It's really really nice. So I'm on Kiehl's cleansing cleansing um right now, but if I'm out of it, I'm gonna try this one. And it's, I think this one because it have AHA is gonna help you guys with problem skin, and it's from black rice. So usually black rice is really healthy. It's super good for your skin, and it's also unscented for those for you guys that don't like this one. I use this a lot before. I use their ampoule, and this is a ampoule form. It's that made with pure centella from Madagascar. It's 20 ml. It's like a mini travel size. It's it's a foam. Never heard it an ample foam before. I don't know. It's a cleansing. Oh, it's that. It's a daily care cleanser and calming pH balancing. So it's good for if you have a bad skin day and you want your pH to be balanced and you want to like normalize it. I think it's like a good one to try. I'm gonna try it, or maybe I'm gonna bring this for my travel. It's a eye serum. So in this beauty box, you can have a lot of different variation of beauty products. Just like you have cleanser, you have eye cream, you have face cream, you have hair products, you have lip products, you have serum. Yeah, for all of your problems, all of the skin problem. And then this is an eye products, eye serum with ginseng and retinol. So this will help with your under eyes a lot. And next, I think the combo is come in the Centella once the skin 104 is a combo of the cleansing oil and the regular cleanser. So this will be perfect for you guys to go travel. It's like you uh, take off your makeup and then you use this cleanser to clean up it up. Like you make your face cleaner. And another one from Skin 104 is a big one. Oh, this one is toner pad. I used toner pad from other brands before. I haven't used it from this brand though. Um, but the sunscreen or like the ampoule from the Skin 104 is super nice and I'm happy with it. I bought it a few times. I use it so many times until I move on to the next products that I've discovered. But I think after oh yeah, talking about that, my sister gave me this Hair Wonder. Now it's look familiar. The Black Rice Toner, Hyaluronic Toner, and I like it. I like it. Use it every day now, morning and night as a toner. But I'm almost out of it. Um, and then after that, I'm gonna try to use this one, the toner pad, because I think the trend now is everybody loves toner pad, and I have a lot of different toner pad that help you hydrate or like provide moisture. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it soon. I think I'm gonna like it a lot. And look how cute it is. This is like a little gift. You know, it's just not like any other like toy. It's a keychain, you guys. It's Christmas bunny. Little keychain. Yeah, everything can be made into keychain now. So I'm happy that they give us a little gift so we can. Oh, this from Haru Wonder. So it's just like help me like the brand more, and then it's like if I bring it everywhere, the brand will be noticed. So I'm happy with this little bunny gift. I'm gonna put it hang it in my bag. Yeah, but I think that's it. And then they give you the book of what goes in here, the little brochure of what products they give you in the beauty box of that month. And yeah, that's it. I think if you're interested in a beauty box, you should go try or like look for a month that have the products that you're interested in trying. Olive Young will have like all of the products in the box, and you will have the good experience trying it. So next time I'm gonna do something more interested. If you guys like to watch, don't forget to follow. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. This is all the products, you guys. Hello guys, welcome back.